right. No, that's wrong. It's not right. It's the wrong way.
So you just want her to come home and see your daddy? Hi, baby boy. Hello, Sasha. Hello, son. Hello, son. So, you could have been this good on our day out. Are we out on our own?
Before I go, but I get people's points. I understand the frustrations, I really do, and they've got about 2.5 weeks now to get a couple of players in and a couple of players out to help Ruben. Because for me, the one thing I'm looking at is Ruben going to be hurt by anyone?
Our boy's a genius.
Take them out for him, Ross. Oh, darling, you can't see it, Daddy. Now you've moved the black and white one.
Sorry, mate.
Oh.
The shapes they say,
Dad.
Sorry, mate.
Get it out. Let's see. Oh, he's probably loving that. Oh, he's following it. Oh, don't be too fast with it. Oh, is your dad just a monkey? See that blue monkey we got? That's your dad. Thanks, Auntie Bobby, for my outfit.
Yeah.
Whoa, I look so sharp.
Oh, don't cry then. Don't cry. Don't cry.
Oh, look at his eyes.
Don't cry. Oh, dear.
That was
Oh, dear.
rude. You coughed in your nanny's face.
Oh, dear.
He loves holding hands, doesn't
He does. From the day he was born.
he? Yeah. He's a little gripper.
Just to clarify, which one of you is wearing the bikini? So it's a family film.
Milking it now, isn't he? He's always got to milk it, you have, Brad.
Oh, look how loved you are, Bradley.
Very lucky, isn't he?
Rather fond of you.
Very lucky.
Oh yeah, hand them back.
I have now. No, I'm too scared. Oh my goodness! He's so titty!
There's Mr. Squish. Right.
Oh my gosh, look at him! Oh, Bradley! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, dear Bradley! Happy birthday to you!
He likes chocolate.
Still good?
Happy
You're
birthday
dragging it out
to
now.
You good?
you!
Thank you, buddy. That's the extended though.
Wow, 5 years old!
Boy, well done, Sonny. Well done, mate.
Dun, 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 dun. Dun, na, 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 dun, 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 dun.
What's all that on the bed?
Oh, Woody just licking himself.
Eh?
It's just aftermath of Woody licking himself.
It's going everywhere.
Yeah.
Oh, I've got to sleep there. This is a disaster.
It's really not that bad.
But it is. Terrible.
Oh God, that's not a biro. Hi, son. Hi, son. Hi, I need a cuddle. Can I have a cuddle? Dad's got you cuddle trapped. Oh, very good. You're so cute. This is the new Mother Nature taking over. Yeah. Taking over. It's taking a toll.
Do the twist. Do the twist. Shake your butt down. Why are you smiling? I swear he's camera shy.
He's looking right at the camera. Hello. Hello, baby. Hi. Okay.
He doesn't let me do it once he realises I've done it once. It's like, I know what you're doing, Dad. You're trying to do that gay thing. Gay with father and son. With that brother. Off to work.
No, you can't take the baby. Bobby, I can't take the baby.
How much I take measure? Okay, you forgot it. It's fair enough. Birthday for tomorrow. You need to remember your hammer, tape measure, and pencil. Bye, Mum.
No, give me back my son. Give me back my son. I just want to take you to work. That's not okay, is it? That's not okay because you love your mummy, don't you? You need to look after me. That's why I created you. So I could hang out with a little Robbio. Hi, baby. Are you smiling? That's not your dad.
Well, it is. The dinner is ready. If you wanted it now, the girls would just feed it. So I let them.
Beautiful eyes, sunshine enough to spread. It's just like the fella said. Tell me quick, ain't love a kick in the head? Like the sailor said, quote, ain't
Ain't
that
that
a
a
hole
hole
in
in
a
a
boat?
bowl?
My head keeps spinning. I got to stop grinning. If this is just the beginning,
Oh,
my life is gonna be
beautiful.
She's telling me we'll be wet. She's picked out a king-size bed. I couldn't feel any better, or I'd be sick. Tell me quick, oh, ain't another kick. Tell me quick, ain't another kick in the head.
Oh, boop. Close to being asleep, but not quite.
I think you have to try very hard to have a realistic person think that you're a bad person.
No, thank you. And likewise, like I think that's like, I think that's why I think I'm such a fan of yours as well. Like, I just feel, and like talking about being real and stuff like that. I've seen clips of yours where you like, again, showing emotion and stuff, and it really resonates with me in a big way. So I feel like it's just nice to like. Yeah, I guess.
She making fun of your grandmother. It's alright. She had fucking done it, crazy. But no, I appreciate it, man. We're trying our best, you know. And it's sometimes it's a battle. Yeah, I didn't mean to interrupt you. That was kind of mean.
Oh dear. Oh dear,
Do
oh
you
dear.
worry? But thanks for the nice
Scared
words,
of
man.
booze this time?
Yeah, it all becomes, and then
You
you
wasn't
start to
scared
become
of
like,
booze
well,
before.
it's how people think you are.
Oh, little cuddle down.
You're is that how you really are? And then you're like, am I holding up this image of myself?
Yeah.
Who am I even? It's all kind of interesting, right? I think, but as long as you try to just stay aware of that's
Hey.
kind of what's going on, then it can all be kind of interesting.
I think it's important to know who you are away from it. And I think that's what we have
No offense, Scott, either.
No, but I think it's like, I think it's important to have that sort of that sort of awareness of like when all this is going like who am I, what am I?
Yeah.
You know, I have more. I think I'd like to think I have more to offer than saying for sure.
I don't know.
Being silly or
We just do
frustrating and
maybe.
stuff like that.
You have more to offer yourself.
You're going to record me. See this here?
yeah,
See this here?
yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
that's that in there.
yeah.
Release them. Take them back off. There's a little button here.
To release what?
Take these back out.
Yeah. You press that grey button. Sweet.
That just fires them out.
You keep making him flinch, but
Okay. So you put them on both sides.
yeah,
I'll just leave them in there for you.
yeah. And then how do you loosen the arms?
Loosen the arms. See this little flap here?
Yeah,
A little button in there.
yeah,
See that there?
yeah,
Just pull that
yeah,
like that. And then that will loosen the arms.
yeah,
And then you pull that to tighten the arms.
yeah.
Yeah.
You're so clever. Nice.
Photographic memory. Some strange memory you've got.
Huh?
Okay, there's this little button.
What did you
here.
say about
This
me?
little catch here.
Yeah.
That's what you do to loosen it.
Yeah.
Yeah, look. Boom. That's locked.
Yeah.
That's not locked.
Yeah.
That's it set up.
How do I fold it back down?
See this thing here?
Yeah.
That one's got a button.
Yeah.
One on the right. Press the button. Pull like that. Just do that.
Nice.
So it clicks back into that thing there. Boom.
Professional.
Yeah. Boom.
No, are you going to show me how to put the seat
You're
in?
doing something wrong. Boom.
Okay.
Seat. Seat facing you. See those things you put in?
Yeah.
You just got to try and line both of them up.
Yeah.
Either side. Yeah?
Nice.
Drop it in.
How do you get that out?
Both
Press those
sides.
buttons.
Both sides have got a button.
Yeah. Sweet.
Yeah.
Thanks, Rob.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm gonna put this on YouTube.
Okay.
I help other mummies.
Okay. Thanks for coming. Cheers, Cosato.
Oh, now pay some money.
Thanks for holding the faith.
Now give us your money.
Oh.
What was that? Oh, my cup.
It's an annoying thing, I don't know where it goes.
No, it's not
Oh,
annoying. It
goes
held
on
my
that.
Fanta.
Goes on there.
I know where it goes. That was the bit I could work out.
It's stupid because it's in, when you try and close it, it's in the way. It is stupid.
They're not going to pay us our money now.
Stupid design. That's it. If I was you, I'd change that design.
Thanks, Rob.
Thank you.
Nonsense. Rob. Oh, Rudi, what's he like?
Oh dear, mate.
Poor Rudi. Poor Rudi.
Yeah! First goal! Woo-hoo! Yeah!
Well done, Rudi. I'm so proud of you.
Well done, mate. A little upsetting.
It's a bit overwhelming being a superstar at such a young age.
Yeah, his hands are nearly as big as yours. Say, Moody Rudi. Say, rude boy, Moody Rudi. Hey, people in the rear. Look at his little feet. He's a cute. Yeah. You used to be little like this. You've got boobies, Nanny. Just have a little bite of those. Hi.
Yep. Very cuticles. Oh, he's got hiccups.
He's got what?
Hiccups.
Hiccups.
Yep, hiccups.
That's so cute, Rudi.
Called hiccups, aren't they, mate? I call them hiccups.
Rob, you're so cute.
I'm not cute, mate, am I? You're cute. I'm not cute. Whoa. Practice walking, practice walking. Boom, 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 boom.
It's typical he's in a good mood when you got to go.
Yeah.
Little BA.
Yeah, good mood. I gotta go to work, little rascal. Very, very late.
Yeah, it is. Thank you. Thank you for letting me have a few more hours this morning. I'll have to go to bed early tonight to make up for it.
Babe. Babe. We gotta go now, mate. We gotta go now. Whoa! What are you on? What are you on? Hello? You nutcase. You nutcase. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh wow, that's massive yawn. You really are tired. Uh-oh.
Thank you, Vicky. I love you. Got that big rock and like the show.
Uh-oh, song's finished.
It's really scary.
I don't like people singing.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Brian. Happy birthday to you.
Hang on, I got to
Two of the candles.
Go.
You're now announcing.
I go with the lottery tonight.
No, you're not.
Little tiny foot.
Little tiny face. You're just so tiny. Yeah. That's a tiny little dude.
Oh, he's outgrown his baby girl.
Yeah. You've nearly outgrown that. Haven't you, mate? Show your mummy. Hey, mummy, look at my baby girl. I've nearly outgrown it now.
Oh no. Oh no, look at his ickle feet. Oh my goodness.
There he is.
There he is.
Stop.
Rudy rude. Rudy rude boy.
person. And it's a big adjustment for a man to go from
Have you had a lot of milk?
I'll follow you into the park, through the jungle, through the dark. Girl, I never loved one like you. Boats and waterfalls, alleyways and payphone calls. I'll be here never out with you. We laugh until we think we'll die, barefoot on a summer night. Nothing new is sweeter than with you. And in the street we run free, like it's only you and me. Geez, you're something to see. Oh, oh, let me go home. Home is whenever I'm with you. Oh, oh, let me go.
Mum, 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 mum. Say mum, 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 mum. Mum, 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 mum. All right. Mum, 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 mum. Oh, big yawnies. They're big yawnies. Here you go, Em.